In this lesson, we will learn to work with controllers. You will be spending most of your time in controllers and they are absolutely amazing to work with. Let's see the PHP artisan commands available for us to use. There are a lot of them. The one we are interested at the moment is controller. Let's create a blog controller. Laravel has automatically created blog controller with basic settings. It's inside app folder. Go inside HTTP and controller. Here you can see the namespace that is already set by Laravel. In this case, the class blog controller extends the main controller. Within this controller, I'm going to create a function called index. It will return the view called index that sits in the blog folder. Now pause the video for a moment and understand it clearly. Here, view is the function of Laravel. It represents view that is shown to the user in the browser. Within view, we have blog.index. It simply means that the view or a page that we want to return to the user using this function is sitting inside blog folder in a file named index. Okay, so where are these folders? Let me show you. Go to the resources folder, then click views. Within views, we already have few folders and files. Don't worry about them at the moment. Here we have to create a new folder and name it blog. And within blog folder, we create a file called index. In Laravel, we use .blade.php for our views files. Blade is a templating system of Laravel. We will learn more about it later on. Now let's start writing some text just for testing. Now the next thing is to deliver this content to the user, right? We do that using routes. Go inside routes, web. Here we already have few routes. Let's create the one we need. Here we are using route facade with get method. Here we supply two parameters, URL and the controller that handles this request. Remember, we already created blog controller and created a function called index. That function returned the view of index within blog folder. Yes, that is what we should see in the browser when we type our domain name /blog. Wow, this is working amazing. If you have made this far, that means you are doing really good. Congratulations.